Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with the sneaker haul video, guys. Today we have 3 boxes over here. One of them is from Nike, one of them is from Adidas, and I think this one is from Soulsteals, so we'll save that one for last. So I'm super excited to show you guys those shoes in there today, but before I do that, I do want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, Dashlane. Dashlane is an amazing service that allows you to live a safer and simpler life online. It's trusted by over 10 million people in over 180 countries, and it's growing every single day, guys. Basically what they do is like they're a password manager company, but they also have a whole bunch of different features on there as well. They also have like a crazy fast autofill feature, and I know this is like an ad or whatever, but I'm gonna kind of like sidebar over here. I've been using Dashlane for a very long time, like I think 1 or 2 years now, and it's been on like my Chrome extensions and stuff on my computer, and it's honestly has helped me check out on a lot of different shoes, guys, just because of that autofill feature. Like, what's cool about it is that you enter like all of your information on Dashlane and then it automatically populates. Like, I don't even need to click anything. It populates automatically when I'm checking out, so it goes super fast. All of your personal information, your addresses, your credit card stuff, it adds all of that when you're trying to check out for sneakers or whatever you're trying to get, maybe a PS5, and it puts all of that into the computer, and you guys are able to check out really quick. But I also think that the password management system is a really cool thing as well, especially like right now when we're like shopping online. And so that means that you guys are checking out from like a whole bunch of different websites and stuff, and you guys are creating accounts on those websites that you guys may never use again. So that's why Dashlane is important, because it can create like very secure passwords for those websites. And what they do best is that they also alert you if there's like any data breaches on those websites down the road, so you know if those passwords or like your personal information was compromised. And because they alert you, you guys can go and act accordingly and, you know, change all your information and stuff and make sure you guys are safe. So that's why it's really important to have this if you guys are online all the time. It really is a great service, and I know this is a sponsored ad, but I really truly do love Dashlane, guys, and I do use it every single day. It's not just something that I'm talking about right now, it's literally something that I use every single day. And what's really nice is that Dashlane is hooking up the Untied Ohana, so if you guys use the link in the description below, you guys can try Dashlane Premium for free. And if you guys do end up liking it, don't forget to use the code UNTIED for 10% off Dashlane Premium. If you guys are trying to cop shoes, PS5s, whatever it is, you guys need this thing. Autofill is crazy, password management is crazy, they got VPN services on there too. Just check it out, man. I'm telling you, you guys won't be disappointed. Anyway, let's get into the sneaker unboxing now, guys. So this sneaker right here is one that I actually copped on Sneakers app, surprisingly, and it's the second shoe that I copped since I created my new account on there. And I told you guys kind of like briefly about this, but there's like a little like secret, I guess, with Sneakers app, where if you guys are not hitting like for a very long time on sneakers, try creating a new account, because I wasn't hitting for a really long time. I created a new account and I was able to hit the Jordan 1 Mochas, and now this shoe over here. And this shoe I think is pretty hype as well, and a lot of people were thinking that this was going to be my top 5 picks for sneaker of the year, and it was close. I think this was like my 6th or 7th. The Nike Sakai collab, the Vapor Waffles in like that sport fuchsia colorway, guys. And I was hyping this one up a lot because I actually had to buy it on resale on GOAT just because I didn't think I was going to hit online. Just because I didn't think I was going to hit online. Then I ended up hitting online, so I was able to like put that one into storage and stuff and, you know, kind of double up on it. But this is the pair that I'm actually going to wear. Nike Sakai. I think I'm going to be using this as like my gym shoe. This is by far my favorite colorway and favorite collab like ever with Sakai and Nike. I just think that the entire shoe is done really well. You guys can see quality premium materials on this. Everything looks really nice, and I think the colorways just work really well. It does look a little bit patriotic with like that red, white, and blue everywhere, but it's not like overbearing, you know, where you're wearing an American flag on your feet. It's just kind of like subtle like that about it. So yeah, this is one that I copped for retail. I don't know if that's a real thing if you make new accounts and stuff on sneakers, but so far it's been showing some good results. So yeah, maybe try it out if you guys aren't hitting. It might work. This is one of those shoes that has like that really strong new shoe smell. You guys know exactly what I'm talking about. If you guys know what I'm talking about, hit that like button down below. I don't know, man. I love that new Nike smell. It smells great. Super random, but yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. All right, so this next one is gonna be from Adidas, another manual cop as well. I'm surprised, dude. I've been hitting a lot of shoes recently, so I've been getting really lucky online. Yeezy 700 box though, 700 over here. And this one is a size 10.5, my size. Again, retail cop from Adidas. And for the shoe, oh, interesting. Okay. This is the first time I'm seeing this in hand. Okay, so this is the Yeezy 700 V3 in the safflower colorway, the yellow colorway. And this one was copped through the Adidas app. So basically, like, you know, the Adidas app, you just kind of enter like a mini raffle on there, and if you get chosen, then they charge you and send you the shoe. So I was able to hit on there. I've been getting really lucky on Adidas actually. So that is where this comes from. I don't know how I feel about this one. I mean, you guys know me, I really love the color yellow on a sneaker, and I was very excited about this, but when I'm seeing it in hand, the yellow is a lot more muted than I thought it was gonna be. Like, I thought it was brighter in like the images that they were showing, but I do want to say that the blue one is better looking than this now. I don't know. Now that I see it in hand, I probably am not going to keep this, so I might put it up online. You guys can check out untiedhawaii.com. It might be on there for a steal price, obviously, so check that out. Really lucky recently with both sneakers and Adidas, so hopefully that rolls over into 2021 and we don't slow down with these retail cops. All right, so this last shoe over here was got from Soulsteals.com. You guys know Soulsteals, they're a membership website where they drop a whole bunch of shoes for like super great discounts and stuff on there. Was able to get this one, I think, on their Black Friday sale, or maybe like Black Friday weekend, something like that. But I was able to get it really fast, and fully, it was due to Dashlane just because of the autofill feature like I mentioned. And I'm telling you guys again, it's seriously great. So I'll show you guys what I copped and then I'll tell you why I was able to cop it. So this shoe right here is a Nike SB, guys. Size, I guess the size tag is kind of ripped off over here. I think that's actually why the shoe was like discounted, I believe. I'm not sure. It might just be because of that small rip over there. But this one is a pair of Nike SB Peles, or like the Hawaii, I guess, dunks, whatever people want to call them, but we call them the Peles. So this one is a really interesting shoe, and you guys need to check out the details of this. It is definitely one that I guess the Untied Hawaii channel needs because it's a Hawaii shoe. This sneaker right here is called the Hawaii Dunk Peles, and you guys can see on the back heel over here, this is the big island over here, and that's where the most active volcanoes are in Hawaii. On the back, you can see the Hawaii flag over here, and I believe on the inside, if you guys look over here, you guys can see Pele, or the image of Pele at least. And Pele is a Hawaiian god over here, the goddess of volcanoes, and she's cruising over here on the insole. A lot of people take out the insole because they don't want to step on Pele. It's like a common thing in Hawaii. If you wear the Pele dunks, you don't wear the insole just because you're not stepping on her. But yeah, rest of the shoe is obviously volcano themed. It's got like that lava orange going around. That black for like the ash and stuff. And yeah, overall just a really cool shoe, very Hawaii themed, and one that I needed to cop and finally have just because I was able to get it on Soulsteals for, I think, like, was it 400 bucks, 350 or 400 bucks? It was a really good price. I think on StockX it's going for like 600 something, 700, and this one is dead stock, so it's only going to keep going up in price. Very good cop. And like I said, I was able to cop this one through a combination of getting the notification on my app and then instantly logging in with Dashlane's password manager, and then it autofilled everything for me during checkout, so it literally took seconds. And because it was a shock drop, nobody else was going to beat me on that, you know. As long as I can get to the app quickly, Dashlane's going to get me covered and, you know, check out super quickly. So it does give you a huge edge if you guys are trying to cop like sneaker drops, like shock drops and stuff, and just overall like your shopping experience and living your life online. Really good service, guys. I know I'm talking it up a lot, but I honestly believe in this one like fully. Like I said, I've been using it for like well over 1 or 2 years now, and it's been in my everyday life, so it's just so seamless and stuff at this point. Like I don't really notice that it's there, but I'm glad it's there. So I hope you guys do check it out. And that is actually it for this sneaker haul video, guys. Really cool shoes in here, all personal cops basically, except I guess that safflower now that I don't really want it, but everything else looks nice in here. And again, thank you to Dashlane for sponsoring the video. If you guys do want to check it out, you guys can try Dashlane Premium for free when you guys use that link in the description below. Again, use code UNTIED for 10% off when you guys want to cop it for long term. Check that out, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think I should have like one more sneaker haul before the end of the year, so stay tuned for that. Last one of 2020. We'll hopefully make it a big one. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoots!